Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wen. Here is the question. Can you find the floor value of this number? This is a mathematical notation called floor function. What is a floor function? Floor function gives you the value, the large, the integer, less than equal to this number. For example, 3.14. This gives you the largest integer on the left-hand side of 3.14, which is 3. What do we want to find? We want to find the largest integer less than or equal to this number. What is this? Square root of 6 plus square root of 5, then to the power 6. We know that this is decimal number. So to the power 6, it's very complicated. By the way, here we cannot use calculator. Now let's define two variables here. One is x. X equals the inside part. Y equals the conjugate of x. We have the two equations here. We add the left-hand side together. That's x plus y. Add the right-hand side together. That's square root of 6 plus square root of 6. Here's positive square root of 5, negative square root of 5 cancel each other. So right-hand side, we have 2 square root of 6. This is first result after we define the two variables. Now consider the product, x times y, left-hand side. Right-hand side, this times this. So here, that's a plus b, a minus b equals a squared minus b squared equals 6 minus 5 equals 1. So we have the second result, x times y equals 1. Now here from this formula, we can square both sides. Square both sides. So left-hand side, we use the formula. That's 2 plus 2xy plus y squared equals 2 square root of 6, then square is 2 square is 4, square root of square 6 is 6. 4 times 6, that's 24. So now what is xy here? Xy we already have here. That's xy equals what? Equals 1. Plug in here, replace xy by 1. We have 2 here. Move 2 to the right-hand side. 24 minus 2 is 22. So we have this result, x squared plus y squared equals 22. Summarize all results to the next page. Now look at the formula. Okay, we used before. That's a plus b to the power 3. So here we consider a equals x squared, y squared is b, then to the power 3 equals 22 to the power 3. We use the result here. Both sides take the power 3. We want to use this formula. Right now, we still don't see why we are doing this. So here, just plug in those formulas. So x squared, a is our x squared to the power 3, that's to the power 6. 3 times a squared, that's x squared, then squared, that's x to the power 4. So here, that's b, replace b here, b is y squared here, plus 3a is x squared. And b squared, that's y squared then squared, that's y to the power 4. Then b to the power 3, b is y squared. Then to the power 3 is power to the 6. 22 to the power 3. Simplify. So look at the middle two items. What is the common factor? That's 3 x squared y squared. A factor 3 x squared y squared out. What's left for this? You have x squared here. For this, you have y squared. So here, continue to simplify this. Let's mark it. So here, we put x to the power 6, y to the power 6, put it in the first group here. Right? So that's what we want. So here, x times y, then square. What is x times y? It's 1. So x squared times y squared is 1 here. Right? It's 1 here. X squared plus y squared. What is this? This is here, 22. Right? We can plug in here. So that's 3 times 22, that's 66. We can move this number to the right-hand side. Right? So we got this. That's the important result. Equal this number. X to the power 6 plus y to the power 6 equals 10582. Let's move to the next page. Clean up this page. Summarize the result here. That's the important result. So what is X? What is Y? We have definition here, right? Plug in, you have this. So now our question is to find this, the largest integer, less than or equal to this number, without this one. So what is this number? We want to understand, to know the range of this number. So what is this? This is Y. So Y, right? Look at this structure. Square root of 6 minus square root of 5. Definitely this number is bigger than 0. And this number also less than 1. So we take the power 6 on both sides of Y. You can see here, it's still less than 1 and bigger than 0. Okay. Now this number is a number bigger than 0, less than 1. And plus this number equal to this integer. So what is this number? What's the range for this number? Can you see this? Maybe it's not very easy to see that. So this number is this number, right? What is this number? This number just a one number less than this number, the 2 consecutive. So this number must be in between the 2 numbers because this number plus a smaller number, which is in between 0 and 1, add to this integer. So this number is less than or equal to less than 1. So here, this number must be bigger than this number, less than this number. So plus a little bit more, which is less than 1. You will add this up to this integer. So we can see the largest integer. On the left-hand side, the less than or equal to this number is this number. Right? In mathematics, we also call this number is the ceiling. This is the floor. So this time we need to find this. So here is the answer. The largest integer less than or equal to this number is this. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.